How to bleach a transparent case. Hello all, you are on Androidncomp channel. In this video I will show you how to bleach a transparent silicone case. Link to the article and other useful stuff in the video description. Baking soda, toothpaste and bleach will help to remove yellowing and darkening of the silicone case. It is not possible to whiten a completely yellowed cover or a very old cover, because bleaching agents can whiten only the outer part of the cover. Baking soda. Baking soda should be mixed with water until it forms a thick mass. Then apply the mixture to the surface of the cover with any improvised means. After you put the baking soda on the cover, wait 20 to 30 minutes. Then rinse the cover under running water and dry it. Evaluate the result. If the cover is not bleached enough, then reapply the baking soda. Toothpaste. It is better to use a special toothpaste for whitening the case. Whitening toothpaste should be smeared with a thin layer on the entire surface of the case and wait 10 to 15 minutes. Then you should rinse the case under running water and dry it. If the case is not brightened enough, then repeat the whitening toothpaste. Bleach. It is best to use a chlorine-free bleach or use water-dissolved soda ash. When using bleach with chlorine, it is advisable to add a little water to reduce the chlorine content. And bleaching the cover must be done with rubber gloves. Next, moisten a cotton pad with diluted bleach and wipe the surface of the cover from one edge to the other. It is necessary to wipe the cover several times with the bleach. After bleaching, you should rinse and dry the cover. If you are unable to bleach the cover, you should repeat the bleaching process. That's all I wanted to tell and show you. Share in the comments how often you have to whiten the case. Also subscribe to the channel and watch other equally interesting and useful videos. Thank you for your attention and see you soon.